and report followers, Iris Lacsamana here from H-Town, and we are showing that we are hashtag Houston Strong today by volunteering throughout Houston to combat Harvey. So we're gonna try and head over to Taylor High School here in Alief, Texas, because that is near our location, and volunteer, see if they still need some more volunteers over there. We brought some stuff here with my mom. Say hi, Mom. And she made some pizzas a little while earlier. Here's a video of that, and we brought that over to the high school along with some bins of blankets and clothes. Hi, so I'm here with my mom. She's recording, and we are currently baking a couple of pizzas, and 4 pizzas, I'm sorry. 4 pizzas ready for delivery. So yeah, those pizzas, we actually brought them to Taylor High School, and I didn't get any footage of that at the time, but we are trying to head back there. But now we just came back home because we also went to Notre Dame, and we're gathering some more supplies. Okay, y'all, this is crazy, but I donated a bunch of jackets and sweaters and pants and garments that people need because they're getting wet when they come into these shelters. And so look at my empty clothing rack. Hopefully people can use all those clothes. Speaking of clothes, look at my outfit. I'm wearing a shirt by Made 139, which makes fair trade clothes in the Sugarland area. And I've got some military camo on. You can't see me because I'm hashtag Houston Strong. Hopefully you can see what this shirt says. It says, "Overcome evil with good," from Romans 12:21. That's what we're trying to do in H-Town, babe. You know, just trying to live out that calling to do God's will. So I have to keep an eye on the news about updates for this storm and things like that. But my mom tasked me with something. I have to pack up our photo albums into these bins here. How I'm able to do this report right now, I am blessed. Thank you, Jesus. We don't have any flooding in our house, but we are staying in a hotel right now just in case any flooding happens, because we live sort of near a reservoir. A lot of my friends are in a similar situation. They live near a reservoir, and so they're wanting to evacuate because while the rain is basically done, now comes the flood, and flooding in Houston is just, at this point you've probably seen what flooding in Houston is like. So we're taking some precautions, and I'm packing up some photo albums right now just in case any flooding happens. But yeah, that's how I'm able to go out and about volunteering, because nothing's happened to us, thank God. There's no flooding on this street leading up to Taylor, so that's good. This is Alief Taylor High School, and that is where a lot of evacuees are being brought to. I feel like they're going to be maxed out with the amount of volunteers that they already have. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna try it again tomorrow. That is H-Town for you. So many people came out that they had to turn away volunteers because so many people came to volunteer. Okay. Okay, so there's people fishing here.
Oh my God, look at that fish. Zoom in.
Oh my gosh.
Show it.
Yeah.
What kind of fish is that? Come on. Huh? Come on.
Okay, so it's super windy and super sunny here at this park on Eldridge in Houston. So, okay. Like, I guess that's like hurricane winds. I'm a little bummed that we were not able to actually do more volunteer work, but like I said, we'll try again tomorrow. And now I'm just gonna try and end off this report with showing you some H-Town people. beautiful. Here, like I said, is this little man-made lake. It usually doesn't come up this close to us, and it's not that bad right now. It's pretty much over. That is my hat. Wow, strong winds, man. And look at the people of Houston just making the most of this beautiful day now. Oh, the sewage or the drainage. Okay.
And tilapia.
Carper and tilapia.
They've caught carpers and tilapias from
Wow.
here.
Okay. And
Things
where are the
that-
fish coming from?
The water coming from the bayou and the rivers would
Okay.
flow through here.
Okay.
They catch this here?
Did they catch this here?
Oh. What kind are they? Yeah. What kind? Carper? No.
Oh, cool. Mom, what did you say? What did you say?
What do we do in the middle of hurricane? We go fishing.
Ah.